question, exercise 1.2, question number 3 of that one. Show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. This is important from the point of exam also. See here, this is very simple. How to draw this one without any confusion. I'll just show roughly and afterwards I'll show you neatly how to draw this one with accurate measures. Okay, now show how root 5 is it. Root 5, see children, root 5 it lies between what perfect square numbers, root 4 and root 9. Am I right? Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. That means root 5 comes between 2 and 3. This is the point. Okay, then it is greater than 2 but smaller than 3. This is the point. How to see? So you may get root 2 for exam, you may get root 7 for exam. In all the cases, how to solve? It is not only root 5. See here. Now first when you draw a number line, so 0, 1, 2 roughly I am showing, I'll show you afterwards. It is between 2 and 3. Then you are going to mark on 2 the perpendicular line, and from there you are going to do the construction. See here how to do this one, and why I have selected 2, that I showed, not on 3 but it is between 2 and 3 means somewhere here it is. Okay, now how to draw that one? See here, already I have drawn this number line. Very simple. You take 1 unit of distance. At 1 unit distance, the numbers like 0, so number line must consist 0 and the negative numbers. Then look at this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write this way. Then on, as I told you, on 2 I am going to draw perpendicular line. Just roughly you can draw a perpendicular line like this one, so draw it straight. Okay, then take 1 unit. 1 unit means don't take this one 0 to 2 here. This is the mistake what most students they make. This one 1 unit means 0 to 1. This unit what you have taken now. So 1 unit you make it and mark that same unit here. Yes, from this one point. So I call it as A for example. Then you call it as B. AB is what? 1 unit. Yes. Then you join this one. Okay, this is the construction. This is the, okay, but this is not a root 5. You are going to draw this way. This one you are joining. Then okay, I'll call it as O, OB. Now OBs are not the, of course it is root 5, but you have to show this root 5 on number line. For that one, what you are doing, you are just making a curve like this one. You are completing this one here, and here this one, what is our, this one after 2, what you have got now, that is our root 5. Call it C. Then you are going to say OC is equal to root 5. Okay, how we will get that one? I'll show you how it is root 5. Exactly, I'll show you. You know that one. Okay, we have a triangle like this one. Am I right? Here you have this one O, and I am calling it as A, and this one as B. See here, if you get this one as root 5, it's correct, our calculation. Is it? And 0 to, that is O to A, it is how much? It is 2 we have taken, and from here it is 1 unit. Is it? So according to our Pythagoras theorem, it becomes a right angle triangle. OB square is equal to, very simple, OA square plus AB square. Check it this way. Then OB square, what we are going to measure? OA square is 2 square plus AB square is 1 square. Is it? 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. What is 5? OB square is equal to 5. Then OB is equal to square root of 5. That is what? So this distance is root 5. The same distance when you mark here, this one is what? Root 5 on the number line. So this way you are going to locate root 5 on number line with the help of what? Right angle triangle. That is our Pythagoras concept, theorem concept we are using, and you are drawing root 5 on the number line this way. See here, you are, see once again I want to see here, 2 you are taking, and most of the students from here they take 2 units, which you are not going to get the correct measure, and somewhere else it will, you will mark that one. So root 5 is between 2 and 3, and you have to remember this one. You have to keep, you have to take 1 unit from 2. 1 unit means 0 to 1, this distance you are taking. Then you are marking one mark here, an arc. Then you are joining this one. Once again I am repeating, on 2 you are drawing a perpendicular. Then 1 unit you are marking on that perpendicular line. Then you are joining OB. Then what you are doing here, you are taking the help of the compass, and you are taking this one as a radius. Okay, and you are completing an arc, something like the circle, something like a semicircle, something like this one. And the point where it touches the number line, that point is nothing but root 5 on the number line. This way, children, you are going to locate root 5 on the number line.